Welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm Wheaties with Certified Ripper Garage. Today's job, the homeowner wants fire safety, so we're going to be thinning out these oaks. We'll probably cut every other one out of here and raise the canopy to remove the ladder fuels. We were here last year and we did the pines along the driveway. We are also removing the ladder fuels from this corner. We're going to be removing this oak, that oak in there kind of leaning over the canal, all the little oaks in there. And we're also going to be removing the two pine trees on the right. We're going to remove that one and also remove that one, leaving every other one to separate the canopy. Nice, brother. Well, that went smooth, as you guys saw. All right, it's a new day. We are back. We're gonna pick up where we left off. So Dylan cleaned this one up, this oak. And he deadwooded these pines that are staying. We didn't clean anything up though, so we got a mess to clean up this morning. It's not too bad. It's a few limbs, a few piles. We have the tractor, so that'll be easy. And you've seen from yesterday, Wyatt took down that gray oak. Gray pine, sorry. And we gotta clean that up. They're all getting set up. We get the chipper warmed up, the tractor warmed up, and we're gonna be cleaning all this up. A little mess to clean up this morning before we start making another mess. This pile, we have a Dylan's gonna make a road, access road across the bottom to forward that material to the chipper. Over here, we're broadcasting chips on site, which is really nice, and we get to leave logs. So we just got a stick, the rest of that stick to flop, and some chipping. Not very exciting, so we won't be bringing you guys along for that, but just giving you an update where we're at. What I didn't show you guys is the saw that I'm running. I have a 2019 model Husqvarna 555 with a 24-inch bar on it. So we're finished with the chipping. That was quite a mission, but we got it done. So now we're set to pull. We're gonna start flopping these pine trees. So we're set to pull one over now. We got a line in it. We're gonna pull it over with our ditch witch. We set a line up there earlier. White's down there making his cut. We got Dylan today. We are back at the yard. It's the end of the day for us. We'll be back at it tomorrow. All right, we are back. It's another beautiful day. So we have to touch on a few other things before we finish up with those pine removals. So what we have to do today is we are limbing up all these trees down the driveway. Everything is hanging super low for delivery trucks and stuff like that. Some of the stuff is hanging to where I can reach it, and I'm 6 foot tall and I can reach that stuff, so you can see there's a bit of a problem here. So we're gonna get this touched up, and we have a deodora cedar down by the house as well to take a few limbs off of. So we're gonna get started on that before we head up to the pine removals and finish that. We'll bring you guys along for that. Our homeowner has a bunch of peacocks. All right, so Dylan and I got the driveway all cleared up. I'll show you guys that when we head out. While we were doing that, Wyatt was getting set up in this beautiful deodora cedar. So all we're doing to this one is just some roof clearance. We already rigged a few limbs down over the house. We have like a, I don't know, 15-foot clearance over the roof there. Now on this side, we're just gonna get, it'll end up being probably a 20-foot clearance, but we're just gonna take a couple limbs off of the driveway side as well, just because it's pretty close. It's the same problem we were having in the driveway.
They just keep seeing more of the Deodora coming out, and they're just like, oh, dude, I'm not having it. Hold it, Wheaties.
Mm-hmm.
Pull that limb, yeah, yep. Nice. He's getting car washed. Nice, dude. Nice. Nice job.
Yeah, that was great. That was
one cut and done. Yep.
We'll stop, clean up, and then. All right, we are back up top at the pine removals. We got the chipper set over there. We're gonna start limbing, chipping, and getting the logs staged into a deck for the homeowner. We'll bring you guys along to see this one.